In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly log into Genspark and connect your Notion account for an intuitive workflow experience. Whether you're organizing tasks, managing projects, or just trying to keep everything in sync, tying these two platforms together will greatly enhance your productivity. So, let's dive right in and get connected. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Genspark account. Head to the Genspark website and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you should be directed to your personalized Genspark dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub, providing access to all the features Genspark offers, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with it if you haven't already. Now that you've settled into your dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the Integrations or Connected Services section within Genspark. This is where all your potential connections with other tools and platforms are managed. By integrating with other applications, you ensure a smoother flow of data and a more streamlined workspace. Once you're in the integrations area, let's focus on connecting your Notion account. This is essential for syncing all those Notion workflows you've been working on with what you'll be doing in Genspark. So, look for an option that says Add Connect next to Notion and click on it. At this point, Genspark will prompt you to sign in to your Notion account using OAuth, which is a secure protocol that allows you to grant access without sharing your password. You'll notice a series of prompts to authorize Genspark's access to your Notion account. Follow these prompts carefully, as they're necessary to set things up correctly. During the authorization process, you might encounter a page that asks which Notion pages or databases you'd like Genspark to access. This is an important step, as it helps determine what you want to share between the platforms for integration. Go ahead and specify the workspaces or pages that are relevant to your needs. The next step is granting those necessary permissions in Notion. Open your Notion account, and from there, navigate to the Settings and Members area. Look for either the Integrations or Connections tab, as this is where you'll confirm Genspark's access. Ensure that the Genspark integration is fully connected to the right workspaces and pages. You might also want to double-check that the pages or databases you'd like Genspark to use are shared appropriately with the integration. By following these steps and carefully managing permissions, you can enable a powerful workflow between Genspark and Notion that keeps your tasks and projects seamlessly aligned. Remember, the key to integration is proper setup and clear access, so take your time to ensure everything is connected just right. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy organizing!